Hello everyone, I'm Lakshan Kritik. This is Hacker News, a very well-renowned place for tech minds, developers, and even startup stories. But let's just face it, this hasn't really changed for a very long amount of time. Of course, it's functional, but it's also really flat, really outdated. There's nothing much to do with this website right now. So for this hackathon, I challenge myself by taking Hacker News and not just redesigning it, but completely reimagine it. So this is the revamped version, my version of the Hacker News website. So starting off, I have a dual design to this website. The one is which you're looking right now, the glitchy, very modern aesthetic, a dark aesthetic. So the other one is a really soft, subtle purple aesthetics to it. So let me start off here. I've added custom animations to every part of this website. So when I move my mouse pointer to the heading, you can see the heading starts to glitch. Same way when I hover my mouse pointer on any article, the article turns red and starts to glitch as well. So, and underneath every article, I've added a custom animated button like this thumbs up, thumbs down, and two more new ones, which is called mark as hot and launch worthy. So you can use these custom animated reaction buttons to express how you feel about the article. So one of the really cool feature what I've added is my AI called Patch. You can use Patch as a normal AI chatbot, but something really truly innovative about him is that you can drag any article onto Patch and Patch will become the article itself. You can ask any questions to Patch and it will answer as the article. It becomes the article itself and answers every question you need. So let me ask it something. Tell me something cool about this. One cool thing about my essence is that I delve into the paradox of creating. Yep, you can read it. It's going to answer all your questions as the article. So this takes automation to the really next level. So the other feature what I have is called the shelf. The shelf, when you read an article and you want to read it again and you don't want to lose it, you can just press the heart button out here. And your favorite articles can be added to the shelf and it will be saved there forever. You can save it to the shelf and look at it whenever you want. So to top all this, when you click anywhere, you can see custom sparkles. You can see custom sparkles. This is really subtle but still engaging as well. This is just a really cool fun feature. So moving to the soft aesthetics, you have the same features as the glitched one. You have the shelf out here, the AI patch. You can add whatever you need to the shelf. When you click out here, you can see a really cool purple circle animations. When I hover my mouse, the text turns purple and the article blocks up and all those cool stuff. So one of the proudest features what I've added to this is my accessibility feature. I built an extension, a accessibility extension to help people who, who can't access websites easily. So let's just test it out by clicking on an article. And yeah, when you click on the increase font, the font size gets increased. You can decrease it as well. And when you select a certain amount of text and press enable text to speech button,
Even the most successful creators have spent years, if not decades, putting content out in obscurity. Just
yep, it'll read it out for you.
Images alone can tell a story. Just look at flow.
So the another accessibility feature what I've added is really cool. That is a nose tracking module. Yes, you can control your mouse pointer using your nose. You can see the mouse pointer moves along with my nose. So when a certain amount of distance is reached between my two lips, it triggers a click. This feature is truly innovative because the person with disability doesn't need to adapt to the technology. The technology will adapt to the person's disability. You can just change the landmark of the mouse pointer. Instead of your nose, you can have your chin, you can have your finger pointer, and make it truly accessible to everyone. So, coming to one of the most a really fun feature in my website, which is the hacker memes. So sometimes, yeah, just opening Hacker News, reading tech articles can be really boring. It's not really engaging. It's not fun at all. So we have Hacker News out here. So this is something you can read tech news, but in a really fun way. The memes are going to be related to tech, so you're going to have fun at the same time and get the information you need. In this website, also we have custom animations out here, reaction buttons, and you can make your own memes as well. Let me select a template. Let my AI patch help me with the text I need to add, and let's create the meme. Yep, this is the meme I created, the new one at the top. So this hacker memes is gonna keep the young minds, the young generation really engaged. It's gonna teach them tech in a really fun way. So to top all this hacker this Hacker News website is fully functional. I've added the Hacker News API key to this. So everything you do out here exactly replicates Hacker News without removing even a single functionality. You can go to show, you can go to jobs. Everything works just as the Hacker News website, but it's just better. So for this website, we just did not redesign it. We built a new way to experience the web where the headline talks back to you, where accessibility is automatic, where sparkle, glitches, bots, and memes all are together. So this is my Hacker News website, but revamped. Thank you, Lakshan Kritik. So my Hacker News website is responsive to all devices. So right now I'm using my mobile phone. You can use it in a tab. You can use it anywhere you want. It's gonna work perfectly fine.